Today is 13th day of my challenge. Every day 30 minutes run. I was going to 100 days challenge. 30 minutes everyday running challenge. I was done 5 minutes now. Also running in this road is KDY street. I was done 10 minutes in my 30 minutes running challenge. Now I was done halfway of my running, and look this. Wow. Every 30 minute running challenge. I was done almost 20 minutes. I left 10 minutes. Look this. This is some poor area. Almost done. Only 5 minutes left. I was done my target. 30 minutes also finished.